tiempo. It's your Mickey. Cool, you love that. Good morning. So we just opened gifts and I think I'm gonna make something simple. I'm going to do atole de coco and some pan tostado. I'll show you what that is. It's very simple to make. It's a hot Mexican style coconut drink and some toasted butter bread. Simple, it's good, my family loves it. Here we go. Okay, so to start this atole de coco, I'm going to go in with 3 cups of water. To the water, I'm going to add 1 cinnamon stick. And over here I have some piloncillo. And I'm just going to add just this little piece here. I'm going to let that come to a simmer, and once it's dissolved and has steeped and simmered for about 5 to 10 minutes, I'll add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so for the pan tostado, I'm just using a French loaf that I have left over, and I'm going to just cut some slices of bread. My grandmother did this all the time with pan bolillo, but this is what I've got today. There we go. Slices of bread. I'm going to take some of my softened butter and put it onto my bread. I like to do both sides. I'll do the other side when it's on the griddle. And it's just as easy as that. Basically, toasted buttered bread. Good. And I'm just going to slowly toast this on my little griddle here. Okay, and just, I have this on a low heat, and just let it toast on both sides. Okay, so to thicken my atole, I have a half cup of cold water. To that, I'm going to add like 2, I'll say like 2.5, yeah, 2.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. And this is what's going to give it that thickened viscosity to this little warm drink. And you want to make sure you mix the cornstarch with cold water only. If you use warm or hot, it's going to clump up. And you want this to mix and combine well before pouring it into your boiling, steeping water. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there until I'm ready to use it. Okay, so this is already boiling and steeping for quite some time. I'm actually going to leave my cinnamon stick in there. And I'm going to add my coconut milk. This is 400 milliliters, a 13.5 fluid ounce can of coconut milk. Going in. Gonna give that a mix. I'm going to let that come back up to a simmer. Okay, so this is where I need it to be. Let's turn it a little lower than that. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Give that a mix. And at this point, before you add your cornstarch slurry, you'll want to taste for sugar, sweetness. This needs more piloncillo, so it's going in. And if you're using regular sugar, start with a 1/4 cup of sugar, mix it, dissolve it, simmer it, taste it, and adjust to your preference. Okay, so I'm going to let this dissolve again. And as you can see, my bread got really toasty. So, oh yeah, this is looking good. Turn that around. Okay, so this is almost done. I'm just going to shut off the heat here and let the residual heat toast that other side, but these are done. Okay. So let's see if this has dissolved. I think so. This already smells so good. And you can even add some whole milk into this if you like. But I decided to keep it dairy-free because this is a really good dairy-free option for people who just don't or can't drink milk. And there are other options for sweetness and creaminess. If you want to add condensed sweetened milk into this instead of the piloncillo, you 100% can do that. Okay, so I like to add a little shake of some cinnamon, again optional. And I want to bring this back up to a simmer because now it's time to add my cornstarch slurry. And you'll want to mix and whisk when you do that, because that's what's going to thicken this. I'm going to go ahead and drizzle it in, and as it starts to, whoops, let's make sure this is combined. I'm going to pour it in. And now you just continually whisk, mix, bring it to a simmer, and you'll start to feel it thicken. Already it's starting to get thickened. Okay, so you can see it bubbling and simmering, and it has thickened. And if you want things to be thicker, then you can, again, mix cold water with some cornstarch, make a slurry, and add it to the pot. I'm going to shut off the heat. And now I'm going to add my vanilla extract. I'll say like a tablespoon. And this is a very simple atole de coco. There are so many ways to make this. Some people like to add, like I said, whole milk into the mix, evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk. Some people like to actually use actual coconut flesh in this. Fresh coconut, coconut water. So many ways to get that flavor. And it smells and tastes so good. Making a mess. And here's breakfast. Pan tostado with a little bit of atole de coco. So good. Yum. So good. And then you get like this crispy, salty bite from the toasted bun. I need another drink. This is so good. I really love the use of piloncillo. You don't have to use it. It reminds me of when my abuela makes this. So this will definitely be a quick and easy breakfast idea for those of you that are like, I don't want to cook a huge breakfast. I love doing this. Okay guys, so day 25 Vlogmas, I'm done. I did 25 days straight. You guys can always go back to my YouTube channel, check out all the videos I did for this month. I am going to take a break, but I will see you in a few days. I'll see you before the new year, and I hope you guys enjoy your holiday. Again, sending love from my family to yours. So have a great day, happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.